So this morning I got the job of fixing this wheelbarrow. So this tire is gone. We can't fix the inner tube, so I bought a solid wheel replacement. This is just, doesn't have an inner tube, it's just a solid rubber tire, and hopefully I can just get it off by undoing these two nuts on either side and pulling the retainers off, and hopefully that'll let the shaft loose and I can fit the new wheel. So I've got all the tools I need. I just need a willing wheelbarrow to let the nuts and bolts loose, and then I can fix this thing. Okay, one fixed wheelbarrow. That'll allow us to do a bit more chores and other things around the shack here. I can ditch that other broken wheel. One job done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.